In this video, I'll show you how to join a channel on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, after launching up your Instagram application, what you need to look out for is an invitation link. So you can go to, if the channel belongs to somebody or it's on a story, you can go to the person's story or the person's profile to look for the channel. But with the link on this profile, it doesn't have a channel link. But if you'd rather search for the channel itself, you can go to the messages and you can come here, and let's say we're searching for the eBay channel. We can click here, and at the bottom of the page you can see channels. Let's click on see all, and you can see all the eBay channels available. Now once you click on the eBay Insiders channel, they're going to give you some rules to read and understand. Once you click on I understand, you're going to be able to join the channel or decline the channel. Now that's how to join a channel on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.